Hello everybody, welcome to the Tellor Dev Call. Today is February 24th, 2025, and we're super excited because we're all heading out to Denver, or the majority of us. Akram and Nick will stay behind to hold up the fort, basically. But yeah, if you guys are going out to Denver, we're gonna have a booth. We're also gonna have a challenge for you guys. This party's gonna be kicking off in a little bit, and looking forward to see you all. But let's get started with just an update, a regular update for the week. The chain has been running now for a couple of weeks and people have been testing it. So if you guys want to become a reporter and test being a reporter or a validator, everything's up and running. So feel free to join the network.
We've got a lot of reporters. There's a lot of questions from the reporter and validator community that's showed up in the Discord about roles and things like that. Like, how many validators will we be picking? So like they want to know more about what's going to happen when we go to mainnet. A lot of projects that haven't launched yet, like they have a test net and then they let the validators come in and then they select validators. The way Tellor is, the token's already out there. So we expect our existing reporting community will bridge and stake and be validators and reporters. And we've got a lot of reporters. I don't know if a lot of people have seen the Block Explorer, but like Tellor layer chain is going. We have 50 validators, 47 reporters, and it's been going really smoothly.
Ryan, Caleb, Dan, we're all heading out. So yeah, what are you guys up to this week in your limited time in the office, I guess?
Yeah, I'm doing some final touches on the challenge website, signing up for events for Denver. Spent a lot of last week just kind of fine-tuning some of the Block Explorer as well. chickamauga.tellor.io if you haven't seen it. Just gearing up so that when we get the challenge going at ETH Denver, it runs smoothly.
We'll be tweeting out the leaderboard, so make sure to stop by, guys. Caleb?
Tim's been working on the bridge stuff, like bridging data and making it more user-friendly for people. I started a test chain on like Friday afternoon to test some of that stuff out, which I will be testing more manually today. And then as well as on that new chain, since Layer has gotten to a place that we're more comfortable with and happy about, I've been focusing on getting the monitoring side of things more beefed up. I added a bunch of telemetry statements that I'm now going to try and pull into a Grafana dashboard and make it look all nice and pretty for us to track things.
Dan?
Yeah, I've just been adding interchain tests related to disputes and bridging.
Akram?
Working on the Tellor stuff again. I hit a wall with the multi-call stuff. I did fix all the tests for the Tellor feed, so I'm just working on Tellor core now.
Nick?
So Spuddy, I'm going to ping you for some tokens here shortly. I'm just doing a deep dive on our docs. Hopefully break them. That's my goal. I want to break them. But gonna see how everything works. Got another deep dive doing this week. Working on an article.
And I did see a bunch of bridging of tokens yesterday or this morning. I saw the Defender notifications.
People were requesting tokens, and I wanted to say too, like, you guys can send each other tokens. There's no incentive to run this testnet. The amount of tokens that you stake doesn't mean anything in the real world. So like, if you see somebody else requesting tokens, it'd be really cool if like a validator, somebody who we've already sent tokens, you can send them tokens, and we're gonna think you're really cool if you do that.
Help each other out, guys.
Be a community.
I think that's it for today. So we'll see you guys at Denver, and we'll post Spuddy documenting the challenge so you guys know what you guys are doing when you get there. All right, we'll see you guys next week.